Hi, Dr. Brad Conder here. The question I got this week is something I've gotten quite a bit, but it's always good to review a lot of these common questions because they are very confusing. The question I got is, how do I know when my pain that I'm having during exercise is something that's more serious, or what do I do with this pain? It's not an easy question because there's varying levels of pain and discomfort when you exercise. There's two main things. First thing is, if your pain is sharp, shooting, radiating pain, we do need to look at that right away because usually it's an indication of something that maybe is a little bit more severe that we need to look at. If you have some achiness and soreness that kind of occurs during exercise and it goes away next day, probably okay. And the second thing that you should do is just realize that getting it checked out is never a bad thing. It's one of the reasons why we offer our free discovery visits, is that we're available to check things out quickly. And really, if you're looking at research, getting this done quickly is very important. And plus, the likelihood of you going into some type of injury that is worse or takes longer is much lower if you get it checked out quickly. So the main thing to take away from that is that if you have any pain, even if it's aching and sore and you still want to get worked out, we're available to do these free discovery sessions, especially if you work out at one of our gyms that are close to us, or if you've been a patient with us before. Always feel okay to kind of ask for a free session, even if you've been here before, because we can check it out and let you know exactly what's going on, so that way you won't get into something more serious and causing other problems. So anyway, just to recap, if you have pain and soreness during exercise, it's okay to let us know. A sharp shooting pain is not normal, and make sure you get it checked out. If you have any questions, give us a call, email, text, and look up some free information on our website, physicaltherapylouisville.com. Have a good day.